this next matchup, I'm going to be honest, I know absolutely nothing about Sunny Daze.
I know I enjoy when I have sun, but I don't know Sunny Daze at all.
Here is Sunny Daze.
Sunnydale, where are you? There they are.
Ah, here he is, the man of mystery, and just, yeah, he's not all there.
I think I saw him on the Walking Dead. I think so. Goodness sakes.
Yeah, this
Where'd
guy.
they get him from?
You go way back. You remember the missing link?
Yes, I do remember the missing link.
I think we've just found the new missing link in his straitjacket. And his manager.
I hope they have that white ambulance outside. As soon as his match is over, just get him back in there and get him back to where he needs to be.
I feel very, very bad for Chris Lightning.
And ladies and gentlemen, his opponent tonight from Rome, Georgia, weighing in at 220 pounds, Chris Lightning.
Chris better make this a quick one because it looks like Sunnydale is out of his mind.
Chris Lightning, young man here from Rome, Georgia, where we're actually filming this Super Brother Wrestling 2015. He is the hometown guy. But again, I feel bad for him. I would not get in the ring with a man like Sunny Daze.
I think I would slap as many hands as possible outside that ring before I climb in there with him. I really do. I'd stay out there and I'd talk to my grandma. I'd talk to him like, you know.
If it was me, I'd be asking if they had an Uber discount code so I could get the heck out of here.
That's a nice idea. Look at the eyes of Sunnydale. I mean, you just, it just looks like tunnel blackness.
Yes.
There's nothing there at all.
Nothing.
It looks like a dark cavern. He's disturbed, no doubt about that.
Now, I was just handed a note that Sunny Daze and his manager are actually students of Jake the Snake Roberts.
There was nobody more diabolical than him.
Until now. Because Sunny Daze.
He's got a skin condition. I don't know what it is, but I wouldn't even want to touch it, would you?
It's almost like he's got scales on his skin like a snake.
If Jake's been training you, you're gonna be punishing somebody.
Yeah.
And I think the victim is Chris Lightning. He better be fast to get out of the way, I'll tell you that.
Oh, that was vicious. Beautiful punch, too. Man, I know where he learned that one from. Irish whip, dug a clothesline. Oh, and Sunny does not go down. A second one, he still does not go down. Another duck. Beautiful leg lariat. If the arms don't do it, the feet will.
He kept at it. He kept at it, and he got him down. A big man like that is just hard to knock off his feet.
Ooh, vicious forearms right in the jaw. Really popping him. Snapmare. Goes to the cover. Sunny Daze says nope. Now see, this tape that is coming off his wrist could be very detrimental. If I was Chris Lightning, I'd grab that tape and start choking him with it.
I'd tell the referee to get that off him. I mean, that can really come into play when you when he's got you in a headlock.
There you go.
Can you imagine wrapping around your throat like that?
Yep. That's why I would rip it off and use it myself.
Yeah. I'd tell the referee that he can't have
Look
that.
out, here we go.
Lightning coming outside the ring.
Oh, man.
Goodness sakes. He was fast as lightning on that one.
Wow.
Sunnydale got dazed.
I'm actually worried about that. Was a very bad landing for both guys. Chris Lightning's actually up before Sunny Daze, which
he might be more confused than he was earlier. And that's hard to believe.
Uh-oh, he's busted his nose. Yeah, there's blood.
Darn. You know, he might like that.
I think he does.
He might like the blood.
It's almost euphoric. And his manager giving him some direction. Nice enziguri. Shades of Antonio Inoki. Irish whip. Up and over. Hits the ropes.
Oh, ho, ho! Spun him completely around. Was that like a total world slam?
Yes, it was. It was very reminiscent of the Big Boss Man's old hard time slam, but he actually spun him a little bit more.
He did.
And he's choking him. He's got a chance to win the match, and he's going to choke him.
Yeah, when you want to punish your opponent as whether to win the match, that's a sickness.
That's the equivalent of high stepping on the 50-yard line when you're going for the touchdown.
Yeah, right.
Match was over, and he choked him.
Sonny Dale in full control.
Oh, my God. Implant DDT. Oh, my God. Oh, did you see his cranium hit the canvas?
I saw that. I mean, and then his whole body just followed. And
I think referee Chris Emerson should stop this matchup. Chris Lightning doing the smart thing, trying to get to the outside.
You got to get away from that nut.
Wait a second. Ref, keep an eye on this Dr. Gamie.
Dr. Shane is put punishment. He's not treating the patient this time. He's treating him badly.
Oh, man, the blood is just oozing out of his mouth right now, and he loves it. He loves the blood.
Yeah. I kind of wonder what Dr. Shane is a doctor of.
He is a doctor of pain. I don't know if he is or not, but most doctors take care of your pain. Dr. Shane Gamie, make sure you have pain.
Yes. Good comeback.
Oh, beautiful pop-up Samoan drop. I won't even applaud that from this sick, maniacal maniac. I think it's redundant, but I said it anyway.
It looked like Chris Lightning had him. I mean, he just snaps it around so fast. He turned it around. Just, wow. Amazing quickness.
For the big man, yeah.
Yeah.
Very light on his feet for a guy his size.
Surprising.
Here it is. Sliding clothesline. That's it.
He didn't even want to hook the leg. He didn't even want to hook the leg to get the 1, 2, 3.
He pushed him off.
Yeah. He could have easily pinned him right there and finished the match and been done with it and gone back to wherever he came from. But no, he keeps it up.
I'm in shock right now. That's twice now he's had the match won and decides not to beat a man. Oh, Lightning held on the ropes.
Oh,
wow.
Almost came over on the table that time. Sonny Dale attempted to punch.
They're getting a little too close to us.
Yeah, I am on the edge of my chair ready to get out of it.
Oh, my God. Chris Lightning. Wow. Catapult, tornado, head scissors style maneuver. He's going for a sliced bread, and he hit his earlier in the evening. I believe John Sauter went for a sliced bread and got caught into a tombstone. Foot is on the rope, and I think the doctor put the foot on the rope.
Yeah.
Neil, you got a better angle. Is that what happened?
I saw him reach for it, but then I got blocked off for a second by Chris Lightning. But I think that's what happened. I mean, the Sonny Dale getting his bell rung like that, he couldn't have been aware of where he was in the ring.
And the doctor on the apron, getting the referee. Wait a minute. Look at that cane. There's a cane. The ref's distracted.
Torture coming. Oh, doggone. Right in the carotid artery. Goodness sakes.
Cobra clutch
leg
sweep into a submission.
You can't get up from this.
Oh,
this is
God.
This has got to be it.
Come on, Chris Lightning. Fight out. Fight out, Chris.
Oh. Yeah. That's just too much pain.
The punishment was too much.
Yeah. I don't even know that Sonny Dale needed to use that, really. I mean,
he did it.
You know, how many times did he have that he could pin him?
At least 3.
He had it.
Absolutely vicious.
I don't want to know what this doctor works on. I really don't. I don't think I want to hear it.
My name is Dr. Shane Gamie. This is my protege, Sonny
safe in the asylum to be around all these old
I don't want to look at him.
In fact, if I were to do my homework, I bet every single person in this town has the same last name.
Gamie.
There's a lot of old timers in that dressing room. But when I say it's 2015, out with the old, time to get a little crazy.
Lots of insults being hurled at this crowd here at the Crucible Valley Fairgrounds. They don't like this doctor. They don't want to see him again. Uh-oh. We know that music. We know that music. The hands are getting in the air. There he is. It's Daze. Oh my. Got the attention of the wrong man this time. Uh-oh. Turning his hat around to do business too. This is not going to look good for these two. Diamond Dallas Page enters the ring. Sonny Dale in big trouble. Setting him up for the diamond cutter. There it is. You knew it was coming. The diamond. Sonny Dale knocked out on this with DDP. He's in sad shape. I think he's more confused than he was before. And that takes some doing. Gamie takes a big chop. DDP. Yes, we want to see it again. Oh. The glasses go down. And so does the ego from Dr. Gamie. DDP taking care of him in the corner. Both chops. See it again. The diamond cutter, number 2.
Sorry about that, I had to get some help.
Both of them get it. Self high five with that. Self high five twice.
If you're feeling good tonight, give me a hell yeah! If you're having a good time tonight, give me a hell yeah! It goes on to my boy Stone Cold Steve Austin. I want to thank you all for coming tonight. We still got a great show in the back. These guys have been working their asses off for you. Let me hear in the back these guys so far. Again, I thank you for coming and supporting what we do. Love you. See you.
Bang! So great to see Diamond Dallas helping so many people with that Jake the Snake movie. If you haven't seen it, Josh,
I have not seen it yet, but I've heard nothing but great things about it. Growing up, Jake the Snake's probably one of my top 5 favorites of all time. So glad to see he's doing good again. And I can't wait to see the movie and hopefully get to see Jake the Snake live and maybe hear Superstars Wrestling next year.
It's definitely changing lives out there, and good for DDP and his crew.